physical, digital, audio, video, physical, digital, audio, video, physical, digital, audio.
Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial, and today we're going to have a look at how we can generate random numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a virtual dice and it's going to generate some random numbers for us. First thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to import the random module. So we write import random. This means we can now use the random commands. If we didn't import the random module first, the random commands wouldn't work. So let's do a random command. Let's do random.randint. Now randint is two words together. It's the first part of random and the first part of integer. So it's a random integer, a random whole value. And we're allowed to put in the lowest possible number and the highest possible number in a bracket. So we'd say 1's the lowest possible integer, 6 is the highest possible integer because we're doing a 6-sided dice. So that will now pick a random number, but it's not doing anything with it, so I'm going to get it to print that random integer. So if I will run this now, I should get a random number between 1 and 6. Oh, something's gone wrong. I haven't put brackets around this. Okay, there we go. So my print command needs brackets. Let's run that. Okay, and it's picked a 3. Brilliant. So that's great. And if I was just playing a game that needed 1 dice, this program could stand in for 1 dice. But let's say I'm playing something like Monopoly that needs 2 dice. How am I going to do that? Well, this is going to need a little bit more work and some variables. So this is going to be dice 1. And dice 1 is equal to random.randint 1 to 6. And I could have dice 2, which is also going to be equal to random.randint 1 to 6. There we go. Okay, so I've now got my 2 dice, but they won't be printed. There's nothing showing what the values of those dice are, and I want to add them together. So I'm going to make a total, and that is going to add dice 1 onto dice 2. Now I shouldn't need to make these into integers because they're already integers from the randint. So these should be able to add without me turning them into integers first. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's print and total, and let's see if it works. So I got 6. Let's just check it one more time, make sure it is adding 2 dice together because we want a number higher than 6 really. 6 again. One more go. 6 again. This is getting a little strange now. 9. Okay, so I think it is rolling randomly. We just got some incredible luck to get the same number 3 times. I suppose 6 is probably one of the most common numbers you can get when you roll 2 dice, so I guess that makes sense. So as you can see, we've used variables, we've used a random command, randint, and we've added together. So all in all, we're starting to use a number of different skills to make some quite interesting programs. Thanks for watching.